get your hair color like this. Stay tuned. Alright, so first off, I'm going to start off with the Kaleidocolors hair bleach, and this is for dark hair, and I just have a believe Salon Perfect or pretty much some 40 developer. So if you notice, the bleach is like almost like a purplish color, or I guess you could say like a bluish purplish color. This is a bleach that is for darker hair. So this is what I like to use when I have dark hair. I always use this bleach to first help lighten it up. I like to go in with the 40 developer, just because I'm going to do the areas that I want the hair to be the most blonde. Alright, so I'm going to start to section the hair. I already have my foil like pre-laid out. So I did attempt to put the foil here, but I believe I'm going to change this method just because it wasn't working for me. But basically now you're going to evenly distribute the bleach onto the hair, and pretty much you are going to saturate the strands of the hair really well wherever you're going to apply the bleach. You have to make sure like you really are like blending it in, making sure the hair is completely saturated, because if not, what you will have is like one side of your hair be blonde and then the rest will still be pretty dark, which is why I like to really just take my time. And honestly, at one point I just put that little brush down and I just started using my hands, just because I feel like I was getting more bleach just evenly distributed on the hair. And then of course, once you finish doing that, you're just gonna pretty much wrap everything with the foil, and it's just gonna allow the hair to like really steam up and just process the color more. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I am not like a licensed stylist or anything, by the way. So this is just pretty much the methods that I find that works best for me. What works best for you? I can't even talk. What works best for you may not work best for me, or it may work best for you and me. Who knows? But I am not a licensed stylist. I'm just a girl who enjoys doing hair, and this is what I like. So pretty much like I said, I'm just going to still do the same exact method. Distribute all the bleach evenly throughout the hair, making sure that the hair is super duper saturated, guys. Remember what I said, make sure you saturate the hair with the bleach, because you want your whole entire strands of hair to basically color. At this point, I really don't know what I was doing, but hey. So now we are working our way to the back part, and do not mind my son in the background. He would not leave me alone, so he is in the background. And I'm basically doing the same exact thing I did to the front, to the back. Y'all, so we did our first round basically of bleaching the hair. This is what I got so far. So as you can see, some of the strands of hair, it did bleach, but some of them gave me more of like a orangey tone. Some areas needed to be re-bleached again. So usually when I bleach hair, I do about 2 rounds of bleach, or it depends on how bright I want the hair to go. But I was like looking for like that honey family, so I did 2 rounds. So now I'm gonna go in the Kaleidocolors as soon as it focuses, so you guys can see. I'm gonna go in with this Kaleidocolors ones, and this one is basically for hair tones that is already blonde. So this is what you want to use once your hair is blonde. So once you get your hair blonde, you can go in with this one, and it's gonna just further help lighten it up a lot more. It has like that purple base in it, which is also good to kind of help like tone the hair. And this is the developer I'm going to use, and this one is a 30. It also has aloe vera in it that I'm trying to have it focus and show you guys, so you can see the aloe vera that is inside of this developer. So I'm going to mix it together and basically go right back over that hair again. So yes, and those pieces that you see already for you was just the areas of the hair that didn't lift or didn't bright, or either I think I ran out of bleach and I got back up again and just bleached that part of the hair. So that was that. Now I'm just gonna go right back over the hair, pretty much doing the same exact steps to really make sure the hair is evenly saturated with this mixture of bleach. to start lifting a whole lot faster. It's going to move super fast because the hair is already blonde. So now I've finished rinsing out all the bleach out the hair. I'm just going in with the Shimmer Lights shampoo and just going to shampoo the hair. This is also very, very amazing product to help tone your hair. So I would definitely say if you color your hair a lot, especially if you do like a lot of blonde colors, you need to own Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm going to go in with the Shimmer Light conditioner and just let that sit in the hair. Also prior, when I did the first batch of bleaching, after I bleached the hair, I did let that condition like overnight. And now this is the finished result, guys. I hope this works good for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how it goes. Later, babes.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause